Welcome back. We're gonna go on to day 4 of the Brambila Method. This one, I get so much positive feedback because it is really simple to be successful with it. Again, you have to put in the work. You have to use your creativity and put in a little bit of time to set things up. But once they're set up, that's it. You leave a seed there, let it grow. You don't have to nurture it, nothing like that. And the cool thing is, Adrian Brambila again will give you an ebook. He'll give you a step-by-step tactic and walkthrough for it. And I'm not creative at all, and I was able to have success with the same thing. I created a few designs. So day 4 is going to be about print on demand. I don't know about you guys. Maybe you've sold clothing before. Maybe you've sold merchandise before. Usually, like, let's say you want to sell a coffee cup. You have to buy the inventory. You have to have the cup. You have to have the logo design. Somebody needs to put it on for you, or you're the one that puts it on. A shirt. Maybe you've sold shirts before. You actually have to have the iron press machine. I don't know exactly what it's called, but you iron on the logo. So you have to buy the inventory. You have to create these logos. Print on demand is when you actually send your designs and upload it onto a platform, and that platform takes care of everything else. All you're doing is creating the design, and you're actually going to learn on day 4 how to research topics that are trending and topics that people are looking for, so you can actually create designs based on these same topics to get you results. And again, I'm not sure if I've said it before, but these methods don't require any additional money, any additional investment. All they take, again, is just your time, maybe an hour a day, your creativity, and maybe you like this one. Maybe you've actually wanted to go into selling merchandise or creating designs. Maybe you're really artistic and you've thought about this, you just didn't know how to start it. Trust me, I wanted to start my own clothing line at one point. I was even designing my own logos and stuff like that, but I got too complicated in the process. I was like, okay, who do I outsource to? Who do I do this from? How many shirts am I gonna need? It was just too many scenarios I was playing out in my head. But this one is very straightforward. It is very simple. You don't even have to think about any type of outsourcing like that, any type of place to find your shirts, any place to create your logos, nothing like that. The cool thing is you can do it all from your computer or laptop, maybe a tablet, maybe a cell phone. So it works. Let's get to it. But if you do have access, don't forget to join the private Facebook group right here, because it is very, very valuable, and there is always news given out by Adrian himself, by Don Bavaro, or by any of the original beta members. There's even people who are complete beginners getting results, and they're posting what they've done on the private Facebook group. So if you do have any questions, don't ever be afraid to post on this Facebook group, because chances are someone else might actually have that same question, or chances are someone in that group might have knowledge about the question that you have. So let's scroll down here. We're on to day 4, and this one right here caught my attention like that because, like I said, I wanted to create my own merchandise before. I wanted to create my own clothing line, but like I said before, it got too complicated. But this way, it's very, very simple, straightforward. As you can see here, it is called print on demand. So these clothes right here, you can actually be the ones designing them. I don't know about you, but me, when I would go to the stores, I would always have trouble finding a shirt that I liked because the designs were not what I wanted. I always wished, you know what, maybe why couldn't I design my own shirt? But now I can. I can actually design my own shirts. And one thing I want to let you be aware of now is, if it's somebody that's already, like really settled, like Nike or Dragon Ball Z or somebody, please don't copy their designs, because you do not want to get sued. You do not want to have a letter in the mail telling you to stop what you're doing, or else you'll get sued. So if it's something that comes close to a logo that somebody has, like Amazon or Nike, or a logo or a slogan, stay away from it. These are your own designs. These are from your own creativity. But this one right here is called print on demand. It's such as, for example, somebody could go on a browser such as Google and type in their niche plus shirts. So for example, if you are into Dragon Ball Z, such as me, I could be looking up Dragon Ball Z shirts, and your designs, or whoever created this, would be the first ones to pop up on the Google searches. So Adrian actually is going to go in depth about how to find topics and trends that'll make your designs stand out from the rest. So it's pretty much like free marketing. You don't have to pay any ads or anything. The platforms that you actually put your designs on will be the advertisers for you. So it is honestly unbelievable, really unbelievable. You don't even have to pay anybody to market. These platforms are doing it for you. So example, let's say right here, the niche. Adrian lives in a van. He actually gives this same example. He can actually create a shirt about van life. And he actually does it. I'll even give you a little bit of glimpse of that here soon. But on top of that, once you create your design, you can upload it to various platforms. So if let's say you do one design and it takes you 5 minutes, honestly, it really can take you 5 minutes. You can upload it to 5 or 6 various platforms at the same time and leave it. So you have 6 times chances of being successful. Method right here seriously falls into the category of risk nothing, earn everything. Because the only thing you're risking is a little bit of time each day to plant a little seed. As you can see, right here is an example. Let's say you create 3 designs a day. Those 3 designs, you can upload them on 7 different platforms. So that means you actually have 21 chances of being successful. Those are some great odds right there. I don't know about you, but those are some great odds if you seriously want to take print on demand to the next level. Because Adrian explains how he met somebody from Ireland who was making $50,000 a month using print on demand. Because let's say you decide to go this route, you don't just have to upload the designs on these sites that he gives you. You can actually recommend your services to local stores, or let's say there's a football league, a little mini kids football league or a cheerleading squad. You can design the logos and create it, upload it to a shop on Redbubble or Amazon, and recommend your link to those people. Those are results right there. All it takes is a little bit of your time. Guys, I don't know if you've realized it yet. You're on day 4. These are eye-opening opportunities right here. These are eye-opening opportunities. They're yours for the taking, literally. You just have to go out and put in the work. There is a download action plan. So an action plan you can actually follow step by step. And here we go. So I'm not going to show you everything entirely because maybe you have access to this. You can check it out on your own. If you don't, I don't want to give it all away because it very, very much is worth the value. Whatever price you pay to get in on this, it is worth it. So this is a guide step by step. As you can see, there are ways to actually find if the design you want to come up with can be trending. There are steps you can follow here, and there's a free software you can use to set up your designs. Before we do that, I want to show you the little analytical side here. So when you're creating these designs, you're not jumping in blindly. Adrian will actually show you a little software you can use to find out if the topics that you want to go over are trending or not, such as this. He was actually creating an idea about van life. There's a way to find out if there is low competition in the area, so that are not many people who are creating those designs, and it actually shows you how many people are searching for the designs. So it kind of gives you a ballpark idea of the profit that you can make with this, or the sales, the revenue you can make with this. You may be asking, okay, where am I going to create these designs? How am I going to do it? How do I come up with these images and things like that? So I'm going to be leaving a link in the description about Canva. Maybe you've heard of it. It is a free software, and this is a little screenshot of what you can see from it. They are little designs you can come up with. They have templates and wording templates that you can actually put into these designs. So I'm going to be jumping around through the video here, and as you can see, Adrian even shows you a design that he's making, and he's doing this live. I actually did this, and on my first try, like I said, I'm not very artistic, I'm not very creative. On my first try, it took me about 10 to 15 minutes to come up with one design. It wasn't hard at all. And at that, he shows you how to set it up on a platform such as Redbubble. He shows you how to set up the store so you can make it stand out, as well as he gives you the finished product. So as you can see here in these pictures, he created one design, uploaded it on a platform, and that platform starts selling various merchandise about it. It automatically gets uploaded here, 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 as well as on pillows, phone cases, I mean, look at all these things that people can buy: coffee cups, stickers, water bottles, bath mats. It is honestly amazing. And like I said, he shows you how to set these things up. So all you really got to do is just put in a little bit of time. I'm even going to show you the designs that I came up with. And like I said, I'm not artistic at all, but I did it. Maybe this is your thing. It is kind of my thing now, but it's cool. Look at these. All of these are print on demand. Like I said, you don't even have to buy these shirts. All you're doing is creating the design and uploading it. Now I'm going to show you my. Now I created my designs on canva.com. And at first glance, it may seem a little bit overwhelming because you don't know where to go, but using Adrian's guidance, his tactics and walkthroughs, it's very, very simple to set this up. He shows you exactly where to go to come up with the template. But this is awesome because I recently started my YouTube channel. As you can see here, I'm only on my fourth video, my fourth official video. And this is what I use to create my banners, to create my channel art and things like that. So it's very, very simple. It's almost like ClickFunnels. I mean, you just upload a picture, you edit this, you change a color here and there, and it's very, very easy. You do not have to be tech savvy. You don't have to deal with any coding or anything like that. It's very, very simple. I mean, like I said, he does go through this step by step, and you can do it for Facebook, Instagram, invitations. If you want to create invitations, you can do it here. You can create your own logos here. I mean, I created, like I said, like my own little picture here for my YouTube, and I'm gonna go into my own Redbubble store to show you the designs that I came up with. And first, before I go there, actually, Canva is free. It is free. And if you do upgrade, it does actually give you a little bit more design templates when you're searching for them, as well as, let's say I upload a picture like this one. You see how the background is transparent? Before it wasn't transparent, it had trees in the background, but if you upgrade for the 30, I think it's for a monthly plan, is like $12, but you get so many more tools, and one of them includes uploading pictures where the background could be transparent. I mean, you could probably go on Photoshop and stuff like that to edit it, but right here it's just so simple, so fast, and you don't have to pay for it if you don't want to, but it does give you transparent designs. Design that I created, and as you can see, it's not no big thing. It's really simple. I found a little template of a boy and his father, or a girl and her father, and I just typed over the words keep calm and call dad. This, like I said, it took me like 10-15 minutes just because I was maneuvering with the tools and the colors, and I uploaded it on a site, a print on demand site. I called it Keep Calm and Call Dad because it was around Father's Day time. So the reason that I was telling you before about Canva, the upgraded one, the upgraded plan, you can actually have a transparent background. Right here, I actually have a red background. So whatever design it gets uploaded on, it's going to have a red background. Other people may not like that. It's up to you. You can actually upgrade to have the transparent one, the transparent logo. So all you'll just have is the lettering and this outline instead of the red background. But this is what it looks like. So it gets uploaded onto these designs right here. So if I wanted to sell a shirt or promote this and tell somebody about this, they can actually go on here, buy this shirt. This platform will take care of the whole order, the shipping and everything. All you're doing is just uploading the logo on there and getting some sales. That's it. Now, I don't know about you, but I had fun creating this stuff. Like I said, I'm not artistic. I am not creative. I had a lot of fun, especially because it was around Father's Day time. I hold my father real dear to me. He right real here, real close to my heart. He's always been there for me. So I was like, you know, it's around Father's Day. Let me create something with Father's Day. I mean, it was a trending topic. So I created the same thing using Adrian Brambila's guidance. I set up my store on this platform, uploaded it, and as you can see, it's uploaded on sweaters, muscle shirts, tank tops, even clothing for women. I mean, one design automatically gets pushed to so many other merchandise items: laptop skins, stickers, laptop sleeves, iPad skin, phone cases, and you can easily edit these. So let's say the design was too big for this phone case, you can actually click on it and just shrink the dimensions. It's very, very easy. It's very easy. And like I said before, all it takes is just a little bit of your time, maybe an hour a day. I mean, these videos, these walkthroughs, this one is almost 9 minutes. This one is 14 minutes. I mean, that is less than 30 minutes of training to go through. That leaves you 30 more minutes to create a design. And like I said, it took me like 15 minutes, and that was on my first try, just because I wanted to look at all the tools and mess with the colors and things like that. But it can take you a lot less than that. It really can. Look, even pillows. You can create masks, face masks, the coffee cups. You can even create the aprons, like cooking aprons, and your design will get uploaded on there. And once you create one design, like I said, Adrian actually shows you how you can upload it to multiple ones at the same time. So gives you multiple chances of getting results. And I don't know about you, but that was actually one of the cooler days that I got to see, because like I said, I always wanted to create my own merchandise. I got to do it. I got to create my own design and upload it onto various platforms. So dropping a seed for it to grow. If this is something that interests you, you're creative, maybe you've thought about it, maybe you actually do it, but you deal with the physical merchandise, this is one way to go completely digital. And you can actually be designing your logos or your clothing line or whatever it may be from your computer while you're in the car. You can do it from your phone. You can do it while you're going to get coffee. I mean, this is passive income. You set this up one time, you could be going to sleep, waking up in the morning, getting a email saying that you earned a commission. It's very real. It's happened. It's happened to people who just started doing this, who actually went through the Brambila method and are getting results. But like I said, it will not happen overnight. You have to put in the work. You have to stay patient. You have to stay patient. It's not a get rich quick scheme. You're not taking advantage of anybody. This is something, like I said, you're planting a seed and letting it grow. This can give you income for years and years to come. It really is possible. And this is just day 4. Just day 4. And anyone can do it. Beginner, non-tech savvy, anyone. Now, this was day 4. The link to the Brambila method will be down here below in the description if you don't have access to it yet, as well as the link to Canva if you want to try out Canva. And depending on what day you are on, maybe the Brambila method is closed, maybe it's open for registration. It's not open all month long. It's only open for a certain period of time. So depending on what day you're watching this video, maybe you'll get into the Brambila method, maybe you have to wait till it reopens. But nevertheless, we want you to succeed. We want you to put in the work. So if you feel this is for you, go out and take action. I mean, I'm telling you, 1 hour a day, every single day, do it. Set a goal for 10 days, for 20 days, for 30 days. See how far you can get. See what kind of results you can get. Challenge yourself. Commit yourself. This is risk nothing, earn everything. You don't have to risk any capital, any type of money. You're just investing a little bit of time, 1 hour a day. So guys, tomorrow we're going to follow up with one of my favorites, which is affiliate marketing, the one that has helped me leave my job. So we're going to go into that in the next video. So I hope to see you there, guys. And if you liked it, please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and there's that little bell around here somewhere if you want to be notified next time I upload these videos. So catch you guys later.